How to customize edge panel on a Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra or any other latest Samsung S25 series. By default, enable the edge panel on a Samsung device. To access it, just swipe the screen. Here you can see the edge panel handle. Just swipe it to access the edge panel on your device. Here you can quickly access AI Select, Now Brief, Drawing Assist, in any other application, your favorite application. To customize it, just open the edge panel on your device. Tap the setting gear icon here. That will quickly access to your edge panel on your device. To go to setting, open the app drawer on your device, tap the settings. Now scroll down up to display, tap the display, again scroll down. Here you can find the edge panel option. So toggle on it. When you toggle on it, you can see remove the handle from the screen. So toggle on it to quickly access the edge panel from the right side edge of your screen. Here you can see the panel and handle option. You can customize handle also. First of all, let's see how to add panels. By default, select the panels as apps. If you want to add multiple, you can select from the list like people, task, weather, tools, clipboard, reminder. So here we select the task and weather application in my list. Now go back, open the edge panel. Now swipe screen to see the second edge panel you added. You can see the weather widget also. So using this, you can add multiple panel you regularly use on a device. You can also customize this handle using same setting. Go to settings, tap on a handle. Here you can see the list of different customization. Here you can change handle position. Here you can see the right side. Now select the left and you can see handle at the left side. So select the position right or left you want to set. Also lock the handle position, so when you enable it, you can't move the block like right side or left side on your device. So lock the handle position. This also change the style. Here you can see change the handle color different. Customize your favorite also. Tap on done to see the change the style. You can also increase or decrease the transparency. Here you can see low, so transparency low or high you want to set like this on your device. Also increase or decrease small or large. Here we select large handle. You can see the increase the size. Now small. Now you can see small the handle size. You adjust the handle size. Also increase or decrease thin or thick. Here you can see thick handle, medium or a thin. So this is the all customization handle setting on your Samsung S25 Ultra or any other Samsung device. So quite easy to customize edge panel or enable or disable edge panel on a Samsung S25 Ultra device and any other latest Samsung device. That's it. If you like it, share it.